Hi everyone, this is the channel Eva Car Mat, and today we have another one car.
Yep.
It's GLE 300, yes?
350.
350 Mercedes. 350 Mercedes 2021, and look at this solution. What we done today. We did the metal frame, like aluminum frame. We installed the logo of the car. Also we adjusted with the fasteners here. Sorry it's dark, that's why we do this is at night, and you can see with our lights. Look at this in the back area as well, fasten installed there, and we did in three pieces. This area, passengers area, and we decided to make the flat on the back because this will be looks groomed and nice. Have a look on the boot, because our customer, he has the third line on the back of the seat. That's why we haven't done with boards, because it's much easier to raise up the back and to raise the third line, and the board's just gonna be not comfortable when you raise the car mat on the back. And have a look also this passengers area. Okay, and the last one next to the driver passenger. Thank you guys for attention. What do you think about our car mats? Could you left a few comments, and don't forget to press like for us and share our posts. Thank you. This is channel Eva Car Mat. Have a nice evening.